Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by choosing a drone-capable vehicle and loading a recon or strike drone. Do it now so you can test immediately. Once loaded, spawn into a custom battle or test flight to isolate variables and avoid enemy clutter. Make sure to set camera sensitivity between 0, 5, and 1. 5 and bind drone commands to a convenient key cluster. This first step gets you flying fast, and it explains why a clean arena and predictable controls speed up repeatable testing. Once airborne, you practice core maneuvers. Takeoff, hover, yaw, forward and back. Time each action and note responsiveness. Then test camera zoom and lock-on behavior across 100 to 1,000 meters, because range alters aiming offsets and sensor lag. After that, simulate combat by firing weapons while tracking target requisition. Watch for recoil or heat effects that change aim. These steps establish a baseline for performance, and they explain why consistent inputs make comparisons valid. You finish by reviewing your recordings to compare latency, accuracy, and survivability, then tweak the loadout accordingly. Next, repeat the same tests under different weather, speeds, and altitudes to ensure robustness. Consistency across conditions proves reliability. If something goes wrong, first reset controls and update key bindings. If that fails, restart test flight and rerun the sequence. This final pass closes the loop, and it explains how small control changes can make large practical differences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.